Doctors' ethics questioned by federal authorities. Now an Elsa mom is also asking questions.
Yeah, Channel 5's Angela Vargas learns a Valley family believes their son would still be alive if he'd received a correct diagnosis earlier.
1992 to 2004, that time span, 11 years. That's how long Thomas Rodriguez lived on this earth.
At 11, Thomas Rodriguez was the baby in the family.
His birthday's in August. This year, my granddaughters want to have cake and stuff for him.
Thomas was feeling sick. His mother and father took him to the family doctor.
Our son's legs were swelling and bruising.
They were referred to Dr. Jorge Zamora-Quezada.
He told us that he had lupus. So from there, he gave us medication to give him. And the medication was for adults, and it was an adult dosage at the time.
Nancy and Merced Rodriguez say they trusted the doctor's prescriptions.
I would force my son to take it because he didn't want to take the medication. But to us, lupus was something serious.
The medicine wasn't working.
I switched doctors because nothing was getting done. He was swelling more. He wasn't able to walk anymore. He would drag on the floor. My husband would have to carry him.
In 2004, they found out the worst.
We took him to the emergency room. That's where we found out it wasn't lupus, it was leukemia, what he had. And the medication he was on, he was never supposed to have taken it.
The family went to San Antonio for Thomas's treatment. He died 2 weeks later.
It's the hardest thing to do ever, to bury your child.
Rodriguez says their son would still be here if diagnosed correctly. Thomas's older brother could have saved his life.
He was actually a donor match for his brother.
For his bone marrow.
But
they were twins.
At the time we found out, he had already passed.
Rodriguez says she's going to call the federal government to get help.
See what we can do, or what's the process of what's going to happen now.
The Rodriguezes explain they will remember Thomas for his caring attitude.
Our son was a very fun-spirited child. He never liked sadness. He tried his best to make you happy.
Now they wait for some type of closure.
Thomas Rodriguez would have been 25 this year. The family hopes the federal agents working this case can bring them some closure through justice. In Sebastian, Angelo Vargas, Channel 5 News at 6.